Rek. Rek. Tam. Ay, very good ka pala eh.
Kasi
Galing.
yung pangaba yung tinutuhok sa kanya kanina.
Very good. You know what letter is this? Oh, very good. You know letters pati. How about this one? Ang galing. How about this one? Ay, very good ko. Ay, mag-school ka na nga. Ay, ang galing. Very good. What number is this? Number. You know numbers. Number. Very good. How about this one? Ang galing. How about this one? I see. Ang galing naman. Can you count 1 to 10? Yay! You want to study na? Oh, you're so good pala eh, no? Very good. I think... Ah, wala. Very good ka na.